I give up. I give up on Samsung. Because just when I thought there was nothing they could do that would surprise me, they find a way to surprise me. Samsung is releasing their Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. And we've talked about it many times on this channel. It's going to be released, very, very small release, limited release, only in North Korea, South Korea, and China. It's going to be very hard to get this phone. $2,500. 5% less size. The actual thickness is 5% less than the Z Fold 6. 200 megapixel camera, bigger inside display, bigger outside display. But the real kicker was they are getting rid of S Pen support. Well, that's not the case. That's right. Samsung is reinventing the S Pen. Now, here's the reason why we said they're getting rid of the S Pen support. Because they're getting rid of the digitizer layer that is needed to use the S Pen on a Z Fold device. So that little layer on the screen that lets you be able to actually use the S Pen, most foldable phones don't have that layer. Well, Samsung is getting rid of it, but they're just going to remake, or I guess recreate the S Pen so that it's not that big of a deal. Again, Samsung, you are creating interesting situations here for a foldable cell phone that nobody's going to be able to get. You're really pulling out all the bells and whistles, which you could have did with the Z Fold 6, but instead you're doing this with the slim variant that is going to be very limited and impossible to get. It's, ugh, because now I want this. I didn't want this at first. Thought it was kind of stupid. Thought it was whatever. It's going to be released. Nobody cares. Who cares? Now it's, oh no, there is going to be S Pen support, but it's going to be used through an active stylus method. And digitizer embedded in the screen. And it's going to be utilized, which is actually not something brand new, to be honest. As it says in this article, this is something that has been used before in other devices. It's just pretty much, instead of it being like an actual pen with the S Pen on your screen, it's now going to be used like as if it was a fingertip or a finger. So it's a little bit less of a pressure, but it works just the same. They're reinventing the wheel. Samsung, you kill me. You actually kill me. Because first off, I gotta say, awesome. Okay. Amazing. You did a great job here. I think this was out of the park, home run. But again, I'm mad at you because I can't give you my money for it. And I want it. And I'm going to find a way to get it. And I'm going to find a way to unbox it on this channel. And if you guys already know, and if you're a subscriber to this channel, you've been a subscriber for a long time, you know I will find a way. Guys, I'm going to find a way to get this phone. And there will be an unboxing on the channel. And I will show you guys it off. And we will go through it. And we'll see how good it is. And you know what? Yeah, I'm doing it. Right now, mark my words. October, unboxing of this phone on this channel. I need to see this. I want to see this, and I want to see how good it is. 5% lighter, 200 megapixel camera. Probably going to act exactly the same as the Z Fold 6 outside of these little changes. I don't care. Mark my words. Mark my words.